welcome back to my channel. Today, as you saw, it's gonna be a mini haul. This haul is all over the place because it has been from different stores: Walmart, Little This, and on Post. So it's all over the place. I'm pretty sure you can find everything at Walmart or at your local grocery stores. So first, these are the only not the brand, the actual has to be beef, are the only hot dogs that doesn't upset my stomach. I know they're not clean, I don't want to hear about it, but yeah, these beef is the only type of hot dogs that doesn't upset my stomach. So these were the ones that were available, so these are the ones that we got. Mini avocados, you know, you can have too much avocados. These still need time, they're hard as a rock. So yeah, I was looking for these for the longest and finally got it. I tried it today and it works. This is basically powdered peanut butter. It helps with the flavor on the peanut butter, but it doesn't add all the fats. I did a protein shake with this baby over here. It was so good. Has decent macros. It could be better, but hey, like I said, it doesn't have as many fat and it has a lot of flavor. So it's a good buy if you want to do the protein shake. If you don't like too much peanut taste, you don't need this. But yeah, it's a good find. Almond milk, unsweetened almond milk. Tried it, loved it. I used to buy the erythritol, but I cannot find it anywhere. So got the pure, super sweet with 1 tablespoon. It's enough for me to add to my coffee. With the erythritol one, with the swerve, I think it is, I have to add at least 2 tablespoons. With this one, it's only 1. And it's sweet as I like. So yeah, my Irish butter. I'm gonna do my pork roast, my chuck roast. Maybe I think it's gonna be tomorrow because it's still frozen. I'm gonna show you in a minute. So I needed 1 of this for the roast, and I'm running low, so that's why I got 2. The famous keto friendly bread. This is new one. Well, for me it's a new one. It's the white bread. The one that I got, they always buy the one with the red label. To me it's dry, a little bit dry, so that's why I decided to try this one. It says white, I think it's with butter. I read, I don't know where. Yeah, with butter. So hopefully this is not as dry as the other ones. Organic ground beef. I'm gonna do, I think it's gonna be by the end of the week, I'm gonna do my cilantro, lime, cauliflower, and I add some ground beef. So that's why I got 4. Like I said, my chuck roast still frozen, so I'm gonna be doing it probably tomorrow morning, 6 to 8 hours, and have this for dinner. And last but not least, this is one of my favorite teas. Very has a lot of spices. It's decaf, so I can drink it during night and not lose my sleep. This is really good with a little bit of butter. Oh, so yummy. So yeah guys, this is my mini haul for this week. Let me know down in the comment if you like this type of video. Like I always said, sharing is caring, and don't forget, be kind to yourself. See you next time. Bye.